All right, so a common problem with the health and wellness industry is the cost of products, right? But what if there's a company that actually lowers the cost of those products the longer you're a member of the company? I'm going to show you how to pay as little as $5 for those wellness products and also put some money in your pocket at the same time. So let's get into it. The name of this company is Vital Health Global. And what makes this company so unique is they've brought technology into the wellness industry. We have a one of a kind health scanner that you can clip onto your finger, and it's going to scan your entire system and tell you exactly what's going on inside your body. What's built into the scanner is our Vital Health products. So at the end of the scan, you're going to get recommendations for some of our products based on your own unique chemistry. The purchase of this scanner is optional. You don't have to buy it if you don't want to. As a second option, we also have an AI Healthbot you can share with people from your cell phone, and it gives them product recommendations too. So there's no more guessing about what you're probably missing, and no more wasting money on a bunch of products that you don't even need. So, how much is this going to cost? Well, it's only $29.90 for a whole year to become a member. So, if you break that down over 12 months, that's going to come out to about $2.49 a month, which is actually cheaper than a lot of those other companies who are charging $10 and $20 a month for their membership. So, you pay $29.90 one time, and then you're done for the entire year. But you're also going to get the products at a reduced cost too. So if you keep your membership for a few months, this is what you can expect to pay for them. I took a screenshot of another member's back office who's been with Vital Health longer than I have, and he can buy $200 worth of products, but look, he's only going to pay $40 for them. V Daily is a $75 product, but he's only paying $10 for it. And the tea detox is $13. And look at how much he's paying. Okay, just $2.60. Now, Organex retails for $42 and he's getting it for $5.50. And Glutation Plus is $75, but he's only paying $10 for it. I've been with a lot of wellness companies over the years, and none of them have ever lowered their prices like this. All right, now there are two parts to setting up your membership. They're working on rolling out a new website, but until that happens, this is the setup process for right now. So click the link below this video that says become a member, and you don't need to select any products on this page. We're going to do that in a minute. So select your language, and then once that opens up, you're going to make sure my name shows up as the sponsor, which is Adrienne Geyer. Then select yes, that I am your presenter because you're watching my video. Place a check in the caption and then click continue. Now on the next page, you're going to see all the countries that we are in. So select your country. And then for step 3, you're going to choose if you want the products to be shipped to you or if you want to pick them up at one of our vital centers. You can open up this drop down box and it's going to show you the vital centers in your area. If there isn't one, then just select the ship option. Now on this page, the only thing you're going to do is just select the $29 membership and add it to your shopping cart, okay? And then scroll down to the bottom and click continue. And then on the next page, you're going to scroll down and click continue again. Now for the remaining steps, 4 through 7, you're going to fill out your address and payment information, okay? After you submit your payment info, you're going to be given a payment code, okay? And you should see a page that looks like this. Leave this page open, okay? And make sure you copy this payment code before you close the page, okay? You could just paste it in a notepad and then click access the back office. If you accidentally close out the page, check your email, okay? Because you should receive 2 emails from Vital Health, one for the link to your back office and the other one for the payment code. So when you're in the back office, just click the dashboard button and go to pay order. Okay, this is where you're going to enter that payment code that you copied and click continue. That's going to take you to the product page. If you don't see it, then click this little buy button and select buy, and then you'll see all the products. This is where you're going to complete your order so you can get the products at the wholesale price. Okay. When you were on the join website, you were not charged for the membership yet. What that website does is create a payment code, but over here in your back office is where you're going to make your product selection and finalize your payment. So go through here and choose whatever you want. This is where you can buy the scanner. And if you want to try a variety of products, you can choose one of the product packs, which is what I did. Okay, I got started with the basic pack for $169. And then if you keep going down here at the bottom of the page, this is where you're going to find your loyalty rewards for keeping your membership. So if I want to buy Glutation Plus, for example, okay, the wholesale price is $50. But because I have these loyalty dollars, I'm only going to pay $12.50 for it. Now, if you're not sure which product to start with, then click the button below this video that says Ask Vital Health Bot and get a recommendation. So, for example, a lady in one of our Facebook groups is on hormone treatments and she has libido problems. Okay, it's really low. So I put the name of her medication in the health bot and asked what could she do. And look, it suggested Love Coffee and explained what was in it. And then it even gave her the price of the coffee. Then the health bot asked if she wanted a health protocol for libido support and put together a plan that works with her current medication. And here are the different products that will help her. Now, if you don't want to take all the products that the HealthBot recommends, you can ask it what are the top 2 products that you should start out with. And then what you're going to do is go back into your back office to order just those 2 products. All right. Now, to get back to your dashboard, you're going to click this button and select Dashboard. This is where you're going to find your affiliate links. Okay. Now, over here, you're going to click this Vital Pay button first and then fill out the form for your e-wallet. Okay. It only asks you like 6 questions. And then this is how you're going to get paid. The link that says shop is what you're going to share with people. It's your product store. Okay. And this is how they can place an order if they don't want to be a member. Now, these other 2 links is what you're going to share with people who want to join and become an affiliate. Now, the reason you have 2 links is because you only need to bring in 2 people so you can maximize the compensation plan. One has an L and the other one has an R. By the way, this is not a matrix, okay, where you have to have hundreds and thousands of people on your team just so you can make 25 cents. This stuff right here, I'm telling you, it is a freaking nightmare. You're going to have to work like an old mule in order to make money in a matrix. And I just don't want to work that hard, especially when I don't have to. But with Vital Health, you only have 2 spots to fill. Okay, so you place someone on your left, and then you share the link with the L, someone on the right, you share the link with the R. Everybody else who comes in after that, they're going to fall under these 2 spots, okay? That's what makes it a uni-level. They can come in from you and your efforts, or people can come in from anyone that's above you, and everybody shares in the volume together of all product sales. It's a lot easier to make money with this type of structure, and you rank up based on your volume, not based on the number of people that you enroll. And when people do get their results from their scan, they always sign up for the membership because they want to improve their health. So getting 2 people to join won't even be a problem when the price point is this low. Now, after you join, I'm going to share our team website with you so we can support you and help you get your first 2 members. So go ahead and click the link below this video and sign up as soon as possible. If you need help with anything, Facebook Messenger is the quickest way to reach me. So welcome to the team, and I wish you much success.